If you're looking to make your home more energy efficient and comfortable all year round, installing underfloor polystyrene insulation is a smart project to take on. Hi, I'm Peter, and this is how to install polystyrene insulation. Let's get into it. First things first, make sure you're using a polystyrene or foil face board suitable for underfloor use. Foil board is commonly used for underfloor insulation, but some types are also suitable for walls and roofs. Just be sure to check the product specifications. These rigid panels are lightweight, easy to handle, and can be cut to size to fit snugly between floor joists in homes with suspended timber floors. Start by measuring the area you're insulating. Whether it's between joists or bearers, get the exact measurements so you know how much product to pick up and how to cut it down. Measure twice, cut once, especially important when working in tight or uneven spaces. Using a utility knife and straight edge, carefully cut the board to fit snugly into each cavity. The tighter the fit, the better it performs, as it minimises gaps where air or moisture might sneak through. Once the foil board panels are cut, simply place a saddle roughly 600mm apart along each floor joist. If you have double joists like we have here, you'll need to cut the saddle into half. Then position the cut foil board panels into place from above. Use joining tape to seal any gaps. This improves the thermal performance and helps keep everything secure over time. And there you have it. You've just boosted your home's comfort and efficiency with a bit of smart insulation. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.